So the GCF for this, a little bit, got an X and a Y, all right? There is not an X in the second term, which means that I don't have an X in my GCF because it's not possible that I divide an X out of that if there's not one in there. The smallest value of Y, smallest exponent of Y they both have is a Y to the second. The GCF between 20 and 32 in terms of the numbers is going to be a 4. All right, again, use the calculator. All right, you probably can't do that division in your head, and there's nothing wrong with that. All right, the only way that's a bad thing is if you refuse to use the calculator to help you out. Okay, so there's my division that I need to do. And I'm going to get 5x squared y, and I divide that. And over here, I'm going to get an 8, and then the y squared and the y squared is a 1, so I don't need to write the 1, so it's just that. And as I say every time, distribute it if you're not sure if you're right. Okay, over here, my GCF is going to be w squared because that's the smallest exponent, and they all have a w. And then the biggest number that's going to divide into all of them is going to be a 7. So I'm going to divide everything by 7w squared. Okay, and I'm going to get 4, just 4 because the w squared is a 1. And then plus w to the third, 7 divided by 7 is 1. And then minus 2w to the fifth.